Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace a coolant filler neck. Mine is broken, it like cracked like right on the inside there somewhere, so I got a new one. Make sure you get the right one for your vehicle because they look different sometimes. So let's do this. I'm gonna start by removing the hoses. Okay, there's a screwdriver and I can use pliers to remove this. Also, I can open this up. Okay, there we go. They do not come with the cap, with the lid, so you can reuse yours if it's good. I'm using a 10mm to remove these two bolts. Hopefully they don't break. Okay guys, now that it is loose, okay, I'm gonna remove the hoses, and as you can see it's like full, so we will have to like fill it up to a full after removing the hoses, okay, because we will lose some of the liquid. Okay, just move it out of the way. Now, okay. We lost some liquid, but that's fine. So this is the old one. Now let's go ahead and install a new one. Just make sure the hoses are okay, like on the inside. If they're like dirty, clean them. Be careful with your fingers, don't put them like underneath because this can like actually hurt your fingers. There we go. That was easy. Okay. Now I can just put the bolts back in. That's it. Don't over tight so it doesn't crack. Just enough. Now we just need to fill this up with coolant, and that's it. Okay, so I'm using universal antifreeze coolant. So just use something like this to insert in there. And we can go ahead and fill this up. You don't want to overfill it? Okay, that's it. That's enough. Starts to leak out. That's enough. Now just put the lid on. Okay. Wipe everything off. Okay, so as you can see, everything is finished. Okay, and if needed you can always add here. Okay, that's the coolant level right there, so just add it to maximum and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. So you can start your vehicle and run it and see if you need to add, you can add to here. Okay.